Hi. Ever feel like your metabolism isn't what it used to be? You eat clean, you move your body, but you're stuck. That's where I was until I learned how much our cells, specifically our mitochondria, impact energy and fat metabolism. I found Mitolyn, a supplement that doesn't promise overnight change, but supports your body at a cellular level. With ingredients like maqui berry, rhodiola, and astaxanthin, Mitolyn is all about cellular energy, recovery, and resilience. After a few weeks, I noticed better daily energy, clearer thinking, and more consistency in my workouts. It's not a quick fix, but it's a solid step in the right direction. Mitolyn is made in the USA and only available online. Want to learn more? Click the link below and check it out responsibly. As always, talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with a friend who might be going through something similar. Thanks for watching and take care of your mind. I'll see you in the next one.